Hi guys. So guys, time check. 2:32 p.m. na and dapat tapos na kami ng 3 p.m. But the problem is nasa NSS pa lang kami guys. May ayun. Wait lang guys. Hi guys, so we just got here sa Bob Sides and we're with Rushina na. And also si Baby. Oh look guys, so nice na sunset. Ang ganda pala.
Repeat order ko lang po. May isa pong pasta. Isang carbonara, isang honey glazed chicken, isang palitan lang po po ng honey glazed chicken. Opo.
Hi guys! So we're just waiting for our orders. So guys, this is yung update. We're just chilling here. And then, naka-outfit. Ito yung mga formal. At uniform. And very demure. Outfit check. This is from Bottega Veneta. Ito naman, outfit check. Yeah. This is from Nikita. This is from oh, nice.
Chanel, wow.
And then her pants is from
UK.
red top kasi ano eh, Pasko eh. Is from Gucci. Is from Chanel. I'll give you a tour to this place because it's really nice. It's yeah, retro vibe guys. Very nice lang ng vibe. Super chill. If you guys wanna hang out and chill with your friends. Okay, picture. So guys, later, magbibigay kami ng gifts to each other. And papakita ko rin sa inyo yan guys. Later. Pero ngayon, dun sa may hagdan. Hi guys, so we just got our order. This is our food. I got carbonara. She got it. Did you order
Hati kami ni Bea.
Celine.
Alam ko na, sabihin na lang natin yung ano, message na lang muna. With video. Message natin.
China.
I got to see na orange.
Guys.
Message.
Happy dinner. We're so hungry. Cake pa daw, sige.
Are you crispy?
Thank you, Bea. Parang may maniraman nakatapos. Cute kasi yung cake. Okay. Hi guys, we're just finished eating.
And the food was so delicious.
Guys, oh. Really good guys. You should try it here.
Celine Sentic.
Kaya, what can you say about the food?
Very good.
Ikaw?
So damn good.
5 Michelin stars. Ikaw, Celine? 4.5. Ikaw?
Good. Good job. Well done.
Keep up the good work. So guys, this is what I got.
Me too.
Very classic. I know, right? Really amazing, guys. Check the yellow basket. Guys, we're about to leave na rin. Alexine. We're leaving na guys. It's such a nice place.
Aww.
My future vlogger.
My future vlogger. Ah.